Sir, today we, the students of Edify World School Attapur, are presenting gesture control light and Li-Fi module. So, what a gesture control light is a smart automation project that enables touch-free control of an electric light using camera and Python library like OpenCV and MediaPipe. So, when you open your hand, it's okay.
It turns on, and then when you close your fist like this, it turns off. So the camera detects your hand movement like this. And now I'll be showing you the Li-Fi system. Li-Fi means light fidelity. So this is a prototype that we have made, and this is going to be the future. Li-Fi may replace Wi-Fi. We have used a power bank, and then we used an LCD display and a microcontroller, and here we have used a light sensor. So now the phone is on aeroplane mode. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is turned off, but still we can transfer the data using light.
You can see the message being transferred from your phone to the display.
So the message is displayed using the flashlight, and the light given from the flashlight is detected using the sensor, and then it is transferred to the microcontroller, and then the microcontroller converts it to analog to digital code, and then the message is displayed over here.
As you can see over.
So Li-Fi is actually better than Wi-Fi because Li-Fi is more secure. Light cannot escape from a room through walls. But
maximum capacity we can transport.
The maximum capacity of Wi-Fi is 10 Gbps, gigabytes per second. But Li-Fi is 20 times more than Li-Fi. It is estimated to be 224 gigabytes per second. That is like a lot. That's a lot of data to be transferred per second. This is only possible using light. So when the flashlight brings millions of times per second, the light gets transferred. So radio waves don't work underwater, so we cannot use Wi-Fi underwater. But Li-Fi, it can go through water. Light can pass through water, so we can use Li-Fi underwater. We can still use our apps like YouTube, Instagram and WhatsApp with the help of Li-Fi. And also Li-Fi, using Li-Fi, it is more secure because radio waves cannot go out of walls. So radio waves can go out of walls, but light won't go out of walls. So using radio waves, hackers can get into your Wi-Fi network and they can hack your computer. But light, it's a different story. It's more secure compared to Wi-Fi. Thank you.